Hello everyone. Now in our most recent tutorial we looked at how to scoop with your hips, use it as a belly dance warm-up exercise and also use it to translate the taximes, the melodic solos in belly dance music. Give you lots of ideas for creativity. Now I'm going to enhance your dance further with today's tutorial because we're going to work on travelling with the scoops. Now we looked at the idea of scooping in all directions before. There's absolutely no limit, okay? And we're going to take it a little bit further today by just saying choose the angle at which you want to scoop your hip and travel with it. So for example, if you want to travel out on a diagonal line, then you just do a scoop in that way and take little steps to follow. And you can be facing your audience or you can go sideways onto your audience. It's entirely up to you. And these moves are particularly good if you're a beginner or you're quite new to belly dancing and you feel you're rooted to the spot and you feel that starting to travel is quite a challenge, and that's very normal. This is something that a lot of my new students say to me, especially students who've never actually danced before, and belly dancing is the first dance form that they've accessed. So it's a really big step to take a step. So think about the direction you want to scoop. Here I'm going to the diagonal and scoop, but you can equally easily displace your foot, change direction of your hip, and also scoop the other way. So let's just do that one together, going forwards and backwards. And you saw how I seamlessly transitioned between the two. So let's work on this hip, and we're going to come forwards for 4, 3, 2, 1. We're adding a little simple arm frame, and then just step back and scoop at the same time. 2, so the foot is orienting your travel and the hip is also pointing in the direction that you'd like to go. So putting that all together, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Scoop towards me. 3, 4, step back and scoop. When you step, you scoop at the same time. Now, some of you will know these as boats. Certainly in my belly dance school, when we are beginners and improvers, we work on the boat move, which is scooping out to the side. Some people call this the sideways camel. And this is one of the classic arm positions we use for it. So, of course, you've got your sideways travel, but I wanted to help you think about travelling in lots of different directions with your scoops, making them more interesting and use them to enhance your dance. Okay, so looking forward to meeting you. Come on over to rachelbellydancer.com where you can get a free online tutorial from me. I have a little belly dance workout there for you to enjoy, and we also have a festival of workshops at bellydanceheaven.com. Okay, take care now, speak soon, bye bye.